Hi folks, Devin Butterbrodt here with Classic Instruments, and today we're here to do the first install of our brand new instrument cluster for 73 to 87 square body Chevy and GMC trucks. Now we've already done all the hard part. We have this truck, it's a good factory original truck. We have all the dash stripped out and up until the point where we're going to start installing the new instrument cluster. So what I've done is I've already printed out a wiring schematic for this truck. These can be found either online, on forums, or by a factory service manual, but with the various trim levels and everything that these trucks came with, there isn't one standardized diagram for everything. So before you even start, just do yourself a favor and do your homework and grab a factory diagram and start identifying what all the wires in the dash are. Alright, so now we're inside the dash, and you can see we have the factory gauge harness already disconnected from the factory cluster. This particular truck is a four-wheel drive, so it has an extra 2-wire harness for the four-wheel drive indicator, which we're going to retain. We're at the point now where we need to connect these wires to the wire harness pigtail that we supply in the kit. What we've done here is we've replaced the factory instrument cluster connector with the wire harness that came in the kit. Now in order to do that, we went through and we determined which wires from the factory plug we were going to retain when we installed our new one. The ones that we used, we soldered and shrink tubed for secure connection, and the ones we didn't use, we isolated and taped back in the harness for a complete factory installation. We've reinstalled the factory gear selector in the stock location, and the last thing to do is make the wire connection inside the truck. The wire harness snaps in place, and then the cluster is installed just like the original. Once it's in place, we'll reuse the stock screws and tighten them up. To finish up the installation, we reinstalled our factory gear selector, our dash bezel, lower steering column cover, and finally the dash pad. That concludes the installation of our 73 to 87 square body package. You can find more information on this package and the other series it is offered in on our website, www.classicinstruments.com.